Welcome to Mariners Pointe, a waterfront gated community of Nantucket-style villas situated among the majestic live oaks of the Intercoastal Waterway in Little River, South Carolina. Unit 32 can best be described as a simply stunning, one-of-a-kind, 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath villa with plentiful upgrades and sweeping views of the marina and waterway all around. The spacious open-concept kitchen features Marcraft shaker cabinets with detailed crown molding, a glass subway tile backsplash, Frigidaire Professional Series stainless steel appliances, and exotic granite countertops with bar seating for 4. The dining area leads straight into an inviting living room, highlighted by a fireplace with black granite, a vaulted ceiling, and doors leading to both the patio and screened porch. The ground floor master provides for a cozy and relaxing atmosphere, with a stone-tiled wall serving as its focal point. Antique mahogany and marble-look tile enhance the master bath, which showcases frameless shower doors and a luxurious garden tub. Other ground floor highlights include Cortex sealed flooring, LED flush mount lighting, Frigidaire washer and dryer, and an updated half bath with custom wainscoting. The upstairs features a full bedroom with designer closet doors, a loft with LVT flooring, and contemporary bath, complete with subway tile walk-in shower and penny round tile floors. Other improvements include crown molding throughout, updated plumbing fixtures, level or blinds, a front door keypad, and much more. Just minutes to the beach, Mariners Pointe offers convenience to restaurants, fishing, golf, shopping and entertainment, and a full array of amenities, including a large waterfront pool and hot tub, tennis and basketball courts, and a private bar and clubhouse. Surrounded by the complex is a private marina with over 100 boat slips available for sale or lease. Don't miss this once-in-a-lifetime chance to own this absolutely stunning and unique villa and to be a part of the Mariners Pointe community.